And in today's video, we're going to be seeing if I... What's up, my fellow fixers? And in today's video, we're going to see if I can fix this copy of Battletoads for the Game Boy. My name is Scott, and you're watching Scott Fix. Okay, so we're going to be working on this Nintendo Battletoads cartridge. Now, just to give you a little bit of a demonstration of what's going on, I'll put it in my Game Boy pocket. We turn it on. We're getting the Nintendo and the beep, but then we're getting a blank screen and nothing else is happening. So something has clearly gone wrong with the cartridge, but I don't know what. So we're going to crack it open and take a look inside. Now, I've never actually worked on one of these before, so as with all my videos currently at the moment, this is a first time for me. But I do know that to get inside one of these cartridges, you will need a game bit screwdriver, which is one of these here. You can see the actual bit itself. So we're going to crack this bad boy open. And luckily it's just the one screw. And then all we do is we slide down and that will take off the front cover. And there it is, our little game cart. Right, so let's take that out, put that to the side. Okay, so like I say, first time working on one of these, so I'm not just entirely sure what I'm looking at, but doing a quick visual inspection, the actual cartridge pads here don't look to be too bad. But what we're going to do as a first point of call, we're going to give them a clean. So I'm going to be using a bit of IPA on a cotton swab. Just give these a nice good old scrub. You can see there's virtually no dirt on there whatsoever. So I'm kind of thinking that giving this a clean isn't going to fix our problem. But it's all a process of trial and error. Got to eliminate certain things. So yeah. That seems to be quite clean to me, so I don't think that's going to make any difference, but we shall give it a try. Pop it back into our Game Boy. And we still have the blank screen. Okay, that's what we expected though, so no surprises there. Okay, so let's try and have a little think about what we're doing here. So we've got two chips and there appear to be two resistors. Okay, so I guess the first point of call really is just to check continuity between these pads here, make sure they're actually going over to the chips. So this one over here is ground. We know that because it's got the GND. This one isn't going anywhere. So let's just follow these up. So that's going to it's that one there. And that one should go to there. Okay, so there appears to be continuity between all of these pads here and going into the chip. So, what could the problem be? Now, I've seen a couple of videos in the past where I've seen that sometimes you can get like one of the soldering joints comes a little bit loose over time. It's called, was it dead joint or something? So I guess what I could try is to run the soldering iron over these connectors again on the chip and just see if we can potentially check for any loose connections. So that's going to be our next point of call. Okay, so the first thing we're going to do is apply just a little bit of flux. Okay, I'm going to tiny little bit of solder. Okay, I think that's good enough. Let's just have a little bit of an inspection. Definitely no bridges there. That all seems to be okay, so we're going to get a little clean. Just in case you're wondering, that is literally about the 3rd time in my life I've ever used my soldering iron. So it's all so new, but so much fun. Okay, so we're going to give this another test. Fingers crossed, this might have done something. Ooh, that's not good, is it? Okay, so something's not quite right what we've done there. So maybe let's just run the iron over again. So let's get a little bit more flux and just. This flux pen is not very good. Okay, one more try. Okay, we've got the Nintendo back, which is good. We're beeping. I don't believe it! I absolutely don't believe it! Yes! Oh my god! It's a little bit dark. Ooh. I have no idea how to play this game. Anyway, I've bloody fixed it! I can't believe it! I really wasn't expecting that to work. But yeah, wicked, fantastic. So that's a win for us. Really over the moon, really happy. So thank you very much guys for watching. Hopefully you found that interesting, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Hopefully for some more wins. Take it easy, thank you. Hi guys, yeah, I feel like I ended that video just a little bit premature then. I was just so excited with the fact that I actually managed to fix that game. I mean, obviously for me, I've been watching loads of videos of people doing this kind of thing, so to actually achieve it for myself was it's just brilliant. So it just goes to show guys, you know, give this stuff a try yourself if you feel a little bit confident, and you know, good things can happen. So yeah, just let me know what you thought in the comments. If you want to smash the like button, you can do. Subscribe, it'd be great. Stay tuned for my next video. I believe next time I'm going to be looking at a broken Xbox 360 controller. So if you'd like to see that, like I say, come check me out next time. Thanks a lot guys. See ya.